place was disgusting. It was a dirty, nasty, filthy, grotesque laundromat with poor operating procedures and old equipment. But Joe found it. I'm Danny D'Angelo. This is a free laundromat in the hills of Hollywood, Los Angeles, to those of you that don't know how it works here. My friend Joe, whom I've never met, but still consider a friend, found me years ago when it was a DVD, where my course that now exists online was a DVD. He bought it, he hired me, he was one of the first that begged me, can you help negotiate a lease for me? And I did. Now fast forward to today, and he's got 4 laundromats in LA County. This particular place, 97 cents a square foot. I don't know why I want to whisper, but this is a multi-million-dollar operation for my friend Joe. He's dropping his kid off at college this weekend while I'm visiting LA, but I wanted to stop in. I wanted to see the store. I almost thought I'd be able to go in and critique the store and pick on some of the stuff he wasn't doing that I tout, that I talk about. The store is perfect. Joe, I'm really, really proud of you. It's hard to describe the emotion this weekend hanging out with Chris and realizing that he bought my DVD when he was 17 years old in Australia, and I'm able to hang out with him, and he's got these free car washes here in California, and now seeing this. Let's go inside and check this out. What is it all about? How does it work? How is it possible? Well, it's rented space. This strip mall is rented space. There's a national chain next door. Don't tell the AutoZone that you're spending $1 a square foot, because their national negotiators probably pay $4 for the spot next door. We've got a flea market, we've got a clinic, Family Dollar. This is laundromat country. That's what this is. There's X number of cars going by every day, but this isn't about location, location, location. It's about infrastructure, 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 and it was all here. Nothing's free. Fuck you.
Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
This store was free. The gas, water, and electric all exists in the walls. This place was disgusting. It was a dirty, nasty, filthy, grotesque laundromat with poor operating procedures and old equipment. But Joe found it, this gem, and we talked to the landlord. The operator didn't really matter in that equation. No one's buying the business. You pull out the old equipment, you install the new using other people's money, and now for Joe it's different, because once you have 3, 4, 5, 7, 20 stores, you're obviously using the cash to build on that empire. He just moved from a condo to a house. Never met the man. We're crawling around his laundry, and there's nothing he can do about it because he loves me. I can stand on it. No, I'm not going to stand on these tables. Absolutely beautiful. Well, we have here concrete floors. It's in my letter of intent. I talk about that. I tell the landlord in the LOI what you're going to do. You're going to watch my course. The link's in the description. Once you see the course, you're going to understand how to scout these stores, what to look for, how far away from your residence they should be, shouldn't be. Is it going to be right for you? Is it the proper business for you? I don't know. Maybe it's not. But before you go out and buy one of these places for $300,000 or $1 million to, what is this place worth? What do you think? What is it worth now? Come on. Joe bought it. No, he didn't. He scooped it up for free, and then what? He ended up retooling it and did that at the proper price. So he's in this place. It's like flipping a home, only you keep it. You don't sell the goose that lays the golden egg. So it's a simple matter. What color is he going to paint the walls? What color will you paint the walls in your store? Hospital white. it's in the course. It's all there. When I walk in here, I get excited because tile shouldn't exist in a laundromat. It breaks, you're moving equipment in and out. It's heavy lifting, it's an industrial space. The folks that are in here aren't looking for tile or carpet or comfortable couches. They want to get in and out as quickly as they can. It's a chore, so let them do the chore. Let them do the chore simply and easily and get on with their lives. The landlord is going to remove the previous tile and leave room for your work. There's work done, right? Whenever you sign a lease, if it's next door, you're going to say, you know what? We'll replace the ceiling tile, but we want you to do the new ADA compliant restroom for the Checker Auto Parts, or whatever the case may be. Whether it's a dollar store or a national chain or a coffee shop or a laundromat, the landlord will deal with you if you know what to ask for, how to ask for it, and how to obtain it. So this is funny to me because it's a little thing. Just like the color of the walls, the new equipment. Hey, landlord, will you remove the flooring so that it leaves room for my work? And it's an inside baseball thing because they're assuming that you're gonna replace the tile. Well, removing the tile is only like $2 a square foot. Replacing the tile is $6 or $7 a square foot. But hey, you're not gonna replace it. You're gonna polish the floors because it's an industrial space. I love the way it looks as well. It matches the place. The white paint on the walls makes the light in here reflect, and it makes it brighter. It just smells clean in here. We visited another store. We're gonna do another video on that with Cliff, my camera guy. It was a wreck. Cliff was telling me that store, just like this place, right? Night and day. Huge difference. I can't tell you, Joe, how proud I am of you. We tried to look for something wrong with the place. It's bright, it's clean, it's beautiful in here, dude. Your change machines are rocking. He's got no negative signs that tell people to piss off. Absolutely not. I've been teaching and training and mentoring people to do this very thing for so very long. And I have visited other locations with my students, my clients. I've been on YouTube since 2006, so you can see a lot of those sit-down interviews. You can see a lot of the folks meeting me for the first time and hanging out. But this is just a little bit different because I feel like I'm sneaking in here without Joe being here, and he had no idea I was coming out. And I'm impressed. I'm proud. I'm excited. There's not going to be a tear in my eye or anything, but this place smells like fucking money to me. It really does. So proud, so excited. If you are intrigued and interested in getting into the laundromat business, you've got to start somewhere. Start with my silly course, grab it up, ingest it. I'm not getting into a sales conversation here, but I've always guaranteed it because I'm the kind of guy that would never learn from a course. I'm too stupid for that. I wouldn't trust someone else with my information. I've never done it. I've read self-help books. I've read the Bible. I've read the Quran. When I was in the Navy, I wanted to know what the other side was all about, not the religion, but the people that we were told were the bad guys. So you should educate yourself. And here, you want to get into laundromats, that's why you're here. I'm not even wearing a colorful t-shirt, so that can't be why you're here today. You're here because you're interested and intrigued in owning these cash businesses. Do not buy one. Start with the course, it's guaranteed. Guaranteed that you'll do this? No, I don't know you. I guarantee you that that information will allow you to do this. I guarantee you that when you watch that course, the first thing you'll do is watch it again. Everyone does. This is a long time coming. Joe is building an empire. His life has been changed. When will you change yours? Hopefully it's now. I want to thank each and every one of you who follow me and follow my journey. And this is the culmination of it. I have success stories in almost all 50 states, 28 other countries, and here in Los Angeles, Joe's got a couple of videos, very small videos on YouTube, and I'll put a link in the description. He's there. It's not hard to find people talking about Danny D'Angelo. I'm a boisterous, loudmouth, former Navy, New York Italian asshole. So if that bothers you, I don't apologize for it. If you want to listen from a guy that knows, and not only that, someone asked me yesterday, and I'll tell you this, I have more knowledge of the laundromat business than any other living human being right now. How is that possible? Well, I'm not a distributor. I don't own my stores anymore. That has nothing to do with it. I'm fielding calls and taking information on folks just like you who are out there scouting these locations all over the world. I have 740 YouTube videos. I'm not here all about I, but it's important to understand. I love to take that knowledge of this silly business that no one even thinks about. When's the last time you stepped foot in a laundromat? I take that knowledge, I impart it into your brain, and I let you do this. Any questions? It smells like money in here. Thank you guys very much. Subscribe to the channel, please. Get the course. Thank you. I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.